Located in Millard County, Utah, the Intermountain Generating Facility is comprised of two 900-megawatt coal-fueled generators linked to the Western power grid by a pair of project-owned transmission systems. Although the facility is capable of generating enough electricity for 1.5 million homes, changes in Western power markets have reduced electricity generation at the facility significantly. Power output during the 2020 fiscal year was the lowest in the project's 33-year operating history. Net generation was 6,805 gigawatt hours. Net facility heat rate, a key measurement of efficiency, was also the least favorable in history at 10,377 BTUs per kilowatt hour. Efficiency was negatively affected primarily by low utilization of the generating station. Decreased electricity generation results in decreased coal consumption. In fiscal 2020, Intermountain Generating Station consumed just under 3.1 million tons of coal, the lowest annual amount in project history. Decreased electricity generation also creates challenges for operation and maintenance at large power plants. Generating units that previously ran at steady baseload rates are increasingly called upon to cycle between various output levels. This accelerates wear on some components of the generating station, presenting challenges for availability and reliability. Despite these challenges, in fiscal 2020, Intermountain Generating Facility posted solid results. Equivalent availability was 94.9%, an improvement over the previous year and the third best performance in project history. The equivalent forced outage rate of 0.64% and forced outage rate of 0.58% were significant improvements over the previous year and ranked 8th and 14th respectively for those measurements over the project's history. 6 unit shutdowns occurred during the fiscal year, only 3 of which were unplanned, which tied for the best performance in project history, despite the challenges of operating the plant at low utilization. Planned outages were conducted to clean and repair turbine and boiler systems and to facilitate transmission system project work and boiler tuning as required by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency regulations. One of IPP's most remarkable operating accomplishments is related to the generating station's boiler tube failure reduction program. Boiler tube leaks, which are common at large coal-fueled power plants, are an unusual event at Intermountain. Only 4 boiler tube leaks have occurred at IPP in more than 8 years, a significant achievement for any facility, even more for one that is now 33 years old. Scheduled major maintenance outages that were planned for the generating station during spring of 2020 were canceled because of the onset of the global COVID-19 pandemic. This was done to eliminate the presence of outside contractors and vendors who would be needed for outage work. As a critical facility, emergency preparedness is an integral component of Intermountain Generating Station systems. Intermountain Power Service Corporation moved swiftly to implement extensive employee screening procedures, modify workplace practices, and increase cleaning and sanitation. Ensuring the safety of the generating station's employees remains the Intermountain Power Project's top priority. The effectiveness of IPP's safety programs are evident in the generating facility's safety statistics. At the end of fiscal 2020, the facility's OSHA lost time incident rate was 0. Its recordable incident rate was only 1.31 cases per 200,000 hours worked, an improvement over the previous year's already low number. Safety, efficiency, resourcefulness, and skill are baked into the Intermountain Power Project culture. These are the attributes that keep the Intermountain Generating Station ready for service whenever called upon, and the qualities that will guide IPP into the next season of providing reliable energy that the American West wants and needs.